The Amazing History of the Dogon Tribe, Aryan Aliens in Ancient Africa, by Seren Thomas. Located in Mali, West Africa, the Dogon have a rich culture dating to around 3200 BCE and are believed to be a hybrid ethnic group descended from a mixing of the ancient Egyptians of North Africa with various other sub-Saharan tribal populations. Deeply rooted traditions of the Dogon people speak of the Nomos who visited from a companion star to Sirius. The Nomos are known as advanced beings who have also appeared in numerous related myths found in the Sumerian and other Mesopotamian cultures. Sirius' companion star has a 50-year elliptical orbit and is not visible to the naked eye. According to some research, modern astronomers did not know the companion star existed until the Dogon myth was discovered. They tell us how the Nomos shared the knowledge of Sirius with them and left behind several artifacts. One artifact depicting the Sirius constellation carbon dates to 400 years ago, a little over 230 years before astronomers suspected the existence of the companion star. The Dogon people were first documented over a several-year study performed by anthropologist Marcel Griaule. In his research notes, we find conversations between Griaule and a Dogon elder named Ogo Temeli, who speaks of multiple companion stars in the Sirius system. There are entries suggesting the Nomos visited on a very large starship on several occasions, and the notes also indicate Dogon people knew of Saturn's rings and the many moons of Jupiter. Every 60 years, the Dogon people celebrate the cycle of Sirius A and B, which raises further questions considering Sirius B's 50-year cycle. Dogon mysteries mention another star in the system, which would be called Sirius C if confirmed by modern telescopes. Nomos are believed to inhabit a planet orbiting Sirius C, though mainstream science does not consider the Sirius constellation to be a prime candidate for life. Credo Mutwa, the 94-year-old Zulu shaman, or Sanusi, in South Africa, claims that this picture he had painted of tall, blonde-haired, blue-eyed beings had been seen by Black African tribespeople throughout that continent long before the white Europeans arrived. Credo, the official historian of the Zulu nation, said that when the Europeans first came, the Black Africans thought they were the return of these same white gods, which they called the Mzungu. See his paintings above. It's above, not below. As a result, they called the European settlers by the same name, which is still used today. This was very much the same reaction as the Central American peoples when Cortez and his Spanish invasion party arrived in 1519, and they thought that he was the returning god, Quetzalcoatl, another god described as tall, bearded, and with piercing blue eyes. The feathered serpent god appears in many ancient cultures and Mesoamerican legends. He was called Viracocha by the Incas, Kukulkan by the Mayas, Quetzalcoatl by the Aztecs, Gucumatz in Central America, Botan in Palenque, and Zamna in Izamil. He and his men were usually described as being bearded with white skin and deep blue eyes.